Scott. And, oh, you speak his language really well, don't you? All right. So I will put you over here. And we'll put you there. Perfect. And in his language, ask him what his planet is like. Oh, what's his planet like?
Big and fluffy.
Awesome! I love it. Ask him what he does for a living. Oh, what's he do for a living?
I'm not sure. I don't think it's right to say.
Ask him what he does for fun. What's he do for fun?
Snowboarding.
Ask him what the girls are like on his planet. What are the girls like?
Curvy.